What's up guys, it's your boy Law. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing something to the car which doesn't totally make sense. We're doing it now to get it over with. We're getting the car's fenders rolled today. Now we're doing this so that we can fit proper wheels with slightly lower offsets onto the car. Some of you guys may know the S2000 is a little bit finicky when it comes to the lower offsets. So we're actually going to be rolling the fenders. I'm not going to be doing it. I actually have someone coming up from LA and he's going to be basically taking care of all that. We're doing it at the studio because we have power here. Hopefully I'll be able to pull my car into the studio, but we have to move around a few things first to see if we have the space. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, or we're going to wait for him to get here. Alright, so originally the plan is I was going to move the car into the studio. There's just not enough space. So that's unfortunate. It's not supposed to rain today, so I'm kind of hoping that it doesn't. We can just kind of do it outside. Everything should be done by like 12, so a few hours. Why are we rolling the fenders? Why do you need to? On an S2000, just like the way it was designed, built, the fender liner and there's like these tabs and basically what keeps like the fender liner and all that, basically that kind of sticks out a little bit. So the issue is not necessarily fitting the wheels, it's kind of more the tires. So if you want to do something like, so my plan is to go with 17 by 9.5. Now if I want to do that, I want to run a 255/40/17 tire. The problem is if I don't roll my fenders and I have anything lower than a 55 offset, I'm gonna get major rubbing, I'm gonna tear up my fender, everything like that. By rolling the fenders and doing all that sorts of clearance, it allows me to run a lower offset so that my tires will have clearance. The guy who's coming up, he's gonna be rolling the fenders and he's gonna be able to give me clearance enough so that I can run as low as plus 45. So that's pretty good. My goal is a 17 by 9.5 plus 45, so I think I should be fine there. Yeah, we're just waiting on him now. It's really early, so I'm kind of tired. Hopefully he gets here soon and we can kind of knock it out, get it finished, and it'll look good. And yeah. So we're just gonna wait. Alright guys, David is here. You guys might know him as Mr. Sexy S2K, right?
Yep.
Yeah, on his IG. So I'll link it down in the description below, but I'm sure a lot of you may already follow him. But he's gonna be working on the rears right now. Outside of the studio, or I'm warming it up right now. Hopefully we can move stuff around. I'll be able to get the fronts in and he can take care of the fronts. He's really just trimming the rears right now, so it's not too bad. He doesn't need a ton of heat for that. Just gonna watch him work and watch the master do his thing. Alright guys, so he's already done one rear. Let me kind of show you guys how good it looks. So if you can look at that, that is trimmed incredibly well. So if you look, it looks completely OEM. No bulge, no nothing. I should be able to run exactly the wheels that I want. So yeah, it looks really good so far. That's just one corner. So he's gonna work on the other side and then we're gonna try to get the fronts done. Oh yeah, just so you guys know, here's a reference. Here's what it looks stock. So that huge fender liner here, that's like a lot of material that can go away. So there's that. I'll bring you guys back over. And then check that out. Look at all that clearance. Yeah, so it's good. It's real good. Alright, so we managed to move the car halfway into the studio, as you can see. So he's finished the rears, just working on the fronts now. It's gonna make them look extra sexy. No wave, no weird, you know, molding of the fender. So it's gonna do his job, and it's gonna look super good, and everything's gonna look stock. So that's the plan. That's the plan. Alright, everything's done, but one last thing. We're here for that 5% value increase.
Ready? And... Bam! 5%.
Bam, that's all we really wanted, really. That's all we wanted, was that 5% value increase. Boom, everything is looking just like it was before, super stock.
It's a little dusty.
A little bit dusty, not too bad, but we got perfectly rolled fenders.
If you want to show them, you can show them the lineup too.
Yeah, alright guys, check this out. You can't even tell anything's been done, and that is perfect. That's exactly how I wanted it. Yep, so that's it. So check out his Instagram in the link below. If you guys need any fender work done, hit him up, because he is really good, and especially for the price he charges, it's absolutely worth it. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, if you guys need any fender work done, hit up David, and we'll see you guys on the next video.